Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete or remove a customer from your FreshBooks account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a customer from your FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers write back with a really nasty message. So it's better just to go ahead and remove them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged in and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove one of your customers, here on the left, click on Client. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down and you'll see a list of all of your customers. If you have a huge list of customers, you can use the search bar right here and search for that specific customer. Once you found them, what you're going to do in order to delete them is just hover over their name and their line's going to turn blue. And once you do that, you're going to see these three options. So you can actually go ahead and archive them if you think that they might be a customer in the future, or if you simply want to go ahead and delete them, go ahead and click on the trash can. Now, if you delete them, then they become a customer in the future. You will need to re-add them into your client list in FreshBooks. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and delete. Okay, next you're going to get this pop-up confirming that you're going to delete this person from your customer list in FreshBooks. If you're okay with that, click on this green OK button. Just a quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see this client was now deleted. So I can no longer send them invoices or estimates through my FreshBooks. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a customer in your FreshBooks account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.